What we're going to need is one of two types of wrenches, either a regular pedal wrench, such as that put out by Park, or an Allen hex wrench, depending on the type of pedal. We have to remember that the pedals are threaded differently on the right and left side. The right side is normally to tighten, you turn it clockwise, and to loosen, counterclockwise. The left pedal is the opposite. The importance of this is that as you're pedaling, the pedals constantly tighten. And if the left was not reverse threaded, it would loosen up as you're pedaling. To remove the right pedal, we should remember that it's righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So we're going to do it to the left, counterclockwise. Long handle wrench makes it easier. And then we can, by turning the crank or turning the pedal wrench, we can remove the pedal. On the left-hand side, remember it's a reverse thread. So to loosen, we're going to turn it clockwise. And remove the pedal.